Hello, let's see what amazing photos created by Canva Artificial Intelligence. Let's come back to Canva homepage, and here we can click social media and, for example, Instagram post. Click Create Blank. Now let's go to the left side menu, Apps, and enter Magic Media into the search field. Choose this one app, click on it, and now we can describe what we like to create. I am entering this keyword, and now I am clicking Generate Image. And here you go. We can add a page. We can click on the image. Now we can click right button and set image as a background. When we click on the photo appears to uploads. We will find all photos on uploads and images here. If you want to download the photo, go to Share button, Download, choose PNG, file type PNG, select page. I'm selecting current page, click Done, and download. And this photo you will find in the Downloads folder. I hope you like this quick tutorial. If you want to learn more, check my new course, Canva Magic Tools. Link you will find in the description. See you!